Hey there, I have a gift for you, but it's not cheap. I want to show you how you can make easy $100 from the comfort of your home without actually doing so much, all right? Just a little. Now, follow me to my screen. You see these videos you see here, all of those content you're seeing here, they are all Google News and content that have been posted and you can actually reuse them. How about I show you how you can actually make money from simply reshuffling Google News, all right? Just taking Google News and actually doing something else with them, and you actually get a lot and tons of money without actually doing so much, all right? So without further ado, follow me to my screen and I'm going to show you how you will do that easy peasy. But before then, I need you to do something for me. I create content like this that gives value for your time and help you actually make money in the digital space. All you have to do to support this channel is actually drop a subscribe button and like this video. Without further ado, let's hop right in. Let me show you how this actually works.
Now, what you want to first do is to come here and type Google, which is Google News on your Google tab, all right? And it's going to bring you here. Now, you can see there are trending news here and numerous trending news here, like I showed you earlier on, all right? Now, the question is, are you a Nigerian? No, you're not. So you choose anyone that is peculiar to your country. And if you're a Nigerian, you can just stick with Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian, and that's why my Google News interface is actually showing this way, all right? Now, even as a Nigerian, you would want to choose what you want, all right? You can choose to go with world news. You can choose to go with local news. This is world news. So in this point here, it shows me global news. And you can see here, there is a news from BBC. It's still Google News, but there is a news from BBC here. There is a news from Kurdish News. There is a news from The Guardian. There is a news from Leadership. There is a news from Al Jazeera. So here you get the most trending news. And the most important thing, my friend, in the online space is traffic. Do not get that twisted. The most important thing in the online space is traffic. So once you have traffic, then you can actually maximize this traffic. Now, what I want to teach you here is not exactly about copying Google News and all that, but is how you can actually make money and tons of money from the Google News. Now, what you want to do here, for instance, is actually copy whatever news that is here, right? So I'm choosing to go with, let's say, Starlink internet shutdown in Sudan will punish millions, blah, blah, blah. So I'm just going to click on this, right? And allow it to load, all right? And now it is done loading, and you have this news readily available to you. But this news is in English, right? Now you can choose to copy this news. I'm going to show you two ways you can do this. This is one of the most common ways to do it. Yeah. And I'm going to show you one of the ways that people don't actually know about, and a lot of people don't even know, and it works. However, I need to show you this so that, you could use this either as having an option is not bad. So you want to copy all of this news, right? And you can see clearly now this news is tailor-made, and it's a trending news, very much hot. And it's something a lot of people will be interested in. It's something a lot of people would even go on Google to actually search for, the relationship between Starlink and the shutdown in Sudan and all that. Now you can copy as much as to the end of the news, but for the sake of this video and to save ambiguity, I'm just going to go on to actually use it like this. Now the next thing you want to do is, after copying this news, you want to actually tailor-make this news, recreate it in such a way that it is unique to you, all right? Recreate it in such a way that when you publish it on the social media space or on the online space, no AI is going to flag it for being copyrighted and all that, because you want to make your content very unique, right? So the next thing you want to do is to come on Quillbot, all right? And you can click on paraphrase. Now there are a number of things you can do with Quillbot, which is grammar checker, plagiarism checker, AI detector, summarizer, and citation generator. But for this point, we want to do two things. First, we want to paraphrase this, and secondly, we want to check for plagiarism. But of course, you have to pay some money if you want to use many of this feature. All right, so I want to come here and actually paste the content we've actually copied, which is the original content, from Google News, this content. Right now we have this content pasted here, so I'm going to paraphrase this content. Hold on, it just disappeared. So I'm just going to place it again and click on paraphrase. Now you give it some time to load. You can see it's actually paraphrasing our content for us. Now it's done paraphrasing the content. Now there's something you would notice here. It says nearly 100 humanitarian groups in Sudan have warned Elon Musk he risks collectively punishing millions of Sudanese by shutting down his vital Starlink satellite internet service in the war-ravaged country. Now look at what Quillbot is doing with it. It says Elon Musk has been forewarned by over 100 humanitarian organizations that if he shuts down, the point is that it is recreating your content in such a way that you can use this content in the internet space and nobody's going to actually stop you from using it. Google is not going to flag you for plagiarism. So you want to come here and click on plagiarism checker and actually use it if you have the time, but for the sake of time we're not going to do that. Right now, the next thing we want to do with this content that we've created is to come here, because you need somewhere people can actually use your news, right? So you want to come to a platform like this. Come on Google and type Blogspot. You click on blogger.com. Now this allows you to create a very free, easy website. You can see publish your passions your way, create a unique and beautiful blog easily. So all you have to do is to click on sign in, right? When you click on sign in, which will mean that you have an account. If you do not have an account, you can actually create an account with them. Then you can create your own blog. It's easy peasy, right? Easy peasy. Now what you want to do, it's asking me to sign in, but for the sake of time I'm not going to do that. All right, so what you want to do is to actually sign up and start pasting your content there. All right, now how do you make money from this system of pasting your content? Very simple. Now when you watch this news from Elon Musk carefully, you would realize that there are ads showing on it, right? You can see this is an ad. It's a headway, $111 no deposit bonus for your start, and this is a brand that is selling something here. These are all ads that are running on this. Now what you want to do is to actually embed a link to any product that you're interested in on your news, the news that you've been able to successfully publish. You want to embed links. You can see this is a link. See the word more clearly. These are all companies that are advertising on this platform because people are reading this news. So everybody who reads this news gets to see this. Anybody who reads this news gets to see this. It's a world best clamping tent. All right. Now you can only imagine that if 1 million people see this, at least 0.5% of 1 million people are going to actually patronize this company, right? So now what you want to do is to actually generate affiliate links that you can embed in your news articles, and that's about it. Now how do you get your news, your affiliate links? Very simple. You can get your affiliate links from Amazon. All you have to do is to come on YouTube and type on Google and type on Amazon affiliate sign up, and you click on affiliate sign up, and you're going to sign up for an affiliate program on Amazon. And once you sign up for an affiliate program, you can see sign an affiliate account. Once you sign up for an affiliate account, it's called Amazon Associate. You're going to have a link to product, different types of product, right? Now those products are literally products that you would sell, and once people use your link to purchase this product, you get a commission from it. And that's one way you can do it. You can also choose to come online and type on ClickBank. ClickBank is also an affiliate program that allows people, all right, to take a link of a product, paste it on any social media handle they are using, right? That is generating traffic for them, and you get paid per person. Anybody who clicks your link and buy the product, you get a commission from the person's product. All right, guys. Now this is a very simple business model that anybody can implement as long as you're willing to actually put in the work. Now you can see affiliate or a seller. Now you're an affiliate, so you want to come here and click on affiliate, and then you first of all do that by signing up or logging in if you have an account already, and you're about to go. You can see affiliates choose ClickBank because of our high converting affiliate offer, reliable tracking, on-time payment, and industry leading education. Get started on ClickBank. Now that is one way to do this. Now I told you I was going to show you another way that you can do this, right? Now the second way you can actually do this is by simply, instead of using Nigeria or English related content, you can come here and click on any country, use say Spanish and all that. You can choose here, come here and click on Spanish, or rather just come on Google and type any document you want, any news that you want, right? And get it in the Spanish form. And once you get it in Spanish form, you can just retrace that using Google Translate to English format. Now you don't need to do too much paraphrasing because that content is not available in English. You just do a little bit of paraphrasing and you're good to go, and you embed your links, and that's literally, my friend, how you can make money online. Now this strategy I just showed you, right? This strategy I just showed you, right, is very simple. You can see this is a link. 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 is the best strategy I feel like you can use to make money online if you're just a starter and you're just upcoming. All right, if you want more information about this, please leave a comment in the comment section so that I can create a more detailed video, show you how to open an affiliate Amazon affiliate account, and how you can actually embed this link and how you can actually build your own blog website. All right, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.